Welcome to this presentation on transboundary hazard and downstream impact of glacial lakes in Hindu-Kush Karakoram Himalayas. This research was conducted by Saket, Dubey et al. And published in 1st January 2024. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Glacial Lake Outburst Floods (GLOFs) pose significant catastrophic risks globally, particularly in mountainous regions. This study focuses on transboundary glacial lakes within the Hindu-Kush Karakoram Himalaya (HKKH) region, where floods originating in one country can impact neighboring nations, affecting populations and infrastructure. The study selected glacial lakes larger than 0.1 km² within a 20 km buffer zone on both sides of the HKKH country borders. GLOF susceptibility was assessed by considering potential mass movement impacts and lake characteristics. Potential downstream impacts were evaluated up to a 50 km runout distance along drainage paths. Mass movement susceptibility was determined using a digital elevation model (DEM) and a flow algorithm, identifying slopes greater than 30 as mass movement prone. A total of approximately 230 transboundary glacial lakes were identified within the HKKH region, with the Hindu-Kush (HS) and Eastern Himalaya (EH) mountain ranges accounting for over 80 of these. India has the highest number of transboundary lakes, followed by China, Nepal, and India, China. Approximately 194 to 207 transboundary lakes are prone to mass movements, with most located in China. Of the 230 lakes, 134 have steep moraine structures (SLA-10). The HKKH region, spanning 6 mountain ranges and 8 countries, faces significant transboundary hazards from glacial lakes, with China having the highest number of lakes potentially impacting India and Nepal. High concentration of transboundary lakes in the eastern Nepal and western Hindu-Kush regions, particularly along China's borders with Nepal and India, necessitates urgent protective measures. This study identified 230 transboundary glacial lakes, area 0.1 km², in the HKKH region and assessed their potential hazards and downstream impacts. Assessment included identifying lakes sensitive to mass movements, unstable moraine structures, and cascading GLOFs, as well as quantifying potential impacts on buildings, bridges, and hydropower systems. China, India leads in the number of transboundary lakes, followed by China, Nepal, and India, China.